Top 10 assets that can make you rich. Welcome back to our channel. There are many different ways to become rich, but one of the most effective is to invest in assets. Assets are anything that has value and can be converted into cash. Some assets, such as real estate and stocks, have the potential to generate significant returns over time. Others, such as gold and art, can provide stability and protection against economic downturns. In this video, we'll discuss the top 10 assets that have the potential to make you rich. These assets have been proven to generate wealth for investors over time, and they can be a great way to build your net worth. Keep in mind that all investments carry some level of risk, so be sure to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Let's jump right in. Asset number 1, stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. They can offer substantial returns, especially when invested in strong, growing companies. Diversifying your stock portfolio is key to mitigating risk. They can generate income through dividends and capital gains. Stocks can be a risky investment, but they have the potential to generate significant returns over time. Asset number 2, real estate. Real estate can provide both rental income and property appreciation. Owning rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can generate passive income over time. Real estate is one of the most popular assets for investors. It can be a great way to generate income through rent, and it can also appreciate in value over time. Real estate can be a risky investment, but it has the potential to generate significant returns. Asset number 3, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have garnered immense attention. While highly speculative, they have the potential for significant gains. However, they are also subject to volatility. Asset number 4, bonds. Bonds are debt securities issued by governments or corporations. They offer steady, predictable income through interest payments and are generally considered a safer investment compared to stocks, but they also offer lower potential returns. Bonds can be a good way to diversify your portfolio and reduce your overall risk. Asset number 5, mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They can be a good way to invest in a variety of assets without having to pick individual stocks and bonds. Mutual funds can be a good way to get started with investing, and they can also be a good way to diversify your portfolio. Asset number 6, precious metals. Investing in precious metals like gold and silver can act as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Their values tend to rise during uncertain times. Gold is a precious metal that has been used as a store of value for centuries. It is often seen as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Gold can be a good way to diversify your portfolio and reduce your overall risk. Asset number 7, startups and private equity. Investing in startups or private equity can yield substantial returns if you have a high risk tolerance and access to early-stage investment opportunities. Asset number 8, collectibles. Rare coins, art, vintage cars, and other collectibles can be appreciated significantly over time. However, they require expertise and careful storage. Art can be a valuable asset, but it is important to note that it is a very illiquid asset. This means that it can be difficult to sell art quickly, and the value of art can fluctuate significantly. Art can be a good way to diversify your portfolio, but it should not be a major part of your investment strategy. Asset number 9, dividend-paying stocks. Some stocks pay regular dividends, providing a source of passive income. Reinvesting these dividends can accelerate wealth accumulation. Asset number 10, education and skills. Investing in yourself through education and skill development can lead to higher earning potential over time. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. This means investing in your education, skills, and health. The more valuable you are, the more money you can earn. Investing in yourself is the best way to build a secure financial future. Consider certifications, courses, or even a college degree. Here are a few additional tips for investing in assets. Do your research. Before you invest in any asset, be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different assets. Invest for the long term. Don't try to time the market. Invest for the long term and let your investments compound over time. Reinvest your earnings. Reinvesting your earnings is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. Investing in assets can be a great way to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. However, it is important to remember that all investments carry risk. Before you invest any money, be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to wealth building, and diversification is key to managing risk. It's crucial to set clear financial goals, create a well-thought-out investment plan, and stay disciplined in your approach. Additionally, keep a long-term perspective and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Always consult with a financial advisor to tailor your investment strategy to your specific financial situation and goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in building wealth through smart investments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.